When Mary Com said that he lived out of my earnings and उसने एक रुपए भी नहीं कमाया, I could relate to that because I have experienced something very similar and I potentially could have been the future Mary Com's husband. And मेरे को पता है कि a lot of guys and girls are stuck in this loop of toxic relationships and you guys are not able to come out of it. And I am here to help you out and come out of this circle by telling my own personal experience in comparison of the story. Now coming back to the story, Honor Com ने कहा that Mary Com had cheated on him with a junior boxer, but he still compromised just for the sake of his children and family. Now I could relate to this because I had experienced something very similar because in my past relationship we had a lot of fights. Just imagine I used to go to the OPD, from there to the gym, come back, study and then to rounds just to come home to fight all night long. And this was very mentally taxing for me, but I was very patient. I was like, yaar, she's very young, things will get better, she will mature up. Just like Mary meets Hitesh Chowdhury, my partner meets someone who's very popular, filthy rich, much more superior than me. And few days later, she starts talking about him. तो मेरे अंदर एक doubt था, यार इतना बात क्यों हो रहा है? But deep down inside myself, I had a strong opinion saying कि नहीं, मेरी वाली अलग है. Around the time of Jan Feb, I started studying a lot because my NEET SS exam was in March. And हम दोनों के सामने एक fact clear था that if I don't get a seat in Delhi or Mumbai, वो मुझे छोड़ के चले जाएगी. And to get a seat in Delhi, I have to be in top 30 and in Mumbai के लिए top 50. And I am competing with the top most branch in the country, which is MD Medicine, while doing content creation. So the NEET SS exam happened and I had my AIMS exam coming up. So I was preparing and उस time अचानक से I just gradually checked her phone, which I usually don't do. And that time I saw some messages. And when I saw those messages, the first thing I did is I took my phone and I recorded them. Q, not to post it in social media. Because next day, I should not feel like I was hallucinating. Because I couldn't believe it. कि यार मेरे साथ मेरी बंदी would do something like that. So this was just a proof. Yes, ये हुआ था. अगर मैं चाहता तो I could have uploaded all those videos online and ruined her. But I would never do something like that. And my mother always says one thing. Yogesh, when someone does anything very bad to you and you do the same thing back to that person, what's the difference between you and that person? This made me realize that I am building into a different personality. And जब ऑनलर के ऊपर allegations लगा that he took 10 lakh rupees of cash, crores worth of land, he posted this video.
I was living with her for 18 years. What am I having? अभी मेरा घर देखो इसे. I'm staying in a rented house in Delhi.
इसमें यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. एक लड़के ने जो अपना फुटबॉल करियर छोड़ा था एट द एज ऑफ 20 ड्यूरिंग हिज पीक इयर्स जस्ट फॉर हिज वाइफ, एंड 20 years later उसका वाइफ कहती है कि वो बस गली में फुटबॉल खेलता था. एंड मेरे ऊपर भी ऐसे ही कुछ एलिगेशंस लगा था बिकॉज शी टोल्ड वन ऑफ माई क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स दैट आज योगेश जो कुछ है वो सब कुछ मेरे वजह से है. Now it's been almost 1 year since our breakup and I am creating content in 4 different platforms, growing and engaging with massive audiences despite working in one of the country's best hospital. Now I have just one question. If I was doing so well because of you, how am I doing so well without you? My message is simple because when I got a NEET SS rank of 25 and an AIMS rank of 13 despite all this torture, it was because I took these 3 right decisions. Number 1, I left her at the right time and I did not compromise myself because there's a very famous saying, once a cheater is always a cheater. Number 2, I didn't go around drinking alcohol, smoking cigarettes, or even sleeping around with girls. I shunted all my energy into work. Number 3, I did not go back to her even though I felt like going back because the videos I made previously was a proof. It was like a slap on my face and it reminded me that I should stay alone. Whenever a person gets cheated on, उसके अंदर एक sense of guilt आता है. शायद उसके अंदर ही कुछ कमी था. And I had the same feel of overthinking. And I'll make a separate video on this, on why she left me. Life के irony देखो. At one point I thought that if I don't get a seat at Delhi or Mumbai, she would have left me. But right now, she cheated on me and I'm in one of the country's best hospitals doing one of the best branch, and that's the exact reason why I'm able to make this video without crying.